Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can duplicate a page inside your workspace on Microsoft Loop, for example, to use these as a template or to customize these for any other project or workspace here on Loop. So let us dive into this. Navigate to Workspace on Microsoft Loop, access it, click into the given page, select or click into these three dots here and select Duplicate. And you will see the duplicate usually right below the first version, so that you may click into it, and as you can see it's almost the same, with the difference that there is a number 2 in the title. I don't know why they do that. So if you'd like to change that, simply click into the title, and as you can see I can't remove it. I don't know the reason for that, but apart from the title, guys, as you can see the content is exactly the same. We got the task list here and the same task list here, so you may customize it, of course, and use the second or the duplicated version as a template to customize it according to your own preferences in your workspace, guys, or your project. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.